Babes Wodumo pregnant with Shona Ferguson's child and Connie is happy. Apparently Babes Wood has been a naught girl. A source very close to the Wololo hitmaker Babes Wodumo says she's not only Babes Wodumo, she's also Babes Madoda. The beautiful caramel skin was reported to be head over heels in love with Durban's finest Mampintsha, and they were rumored to be engaged and happily in love. It's with a great shock to now learn that the source very close to the Hot Moves dancer is pregnant. The source was planning for her friend's baby shower now because they were planning to celebrate the pregnancy in style and pure elegance. The truth came out when I told Babes Wodumo that Mampintsha must be ready to spend a very huge amount of money for the baby shower, and she said I'm barking at the wrong tree. She confessed to me that the twins she's carrying belongs to the popular actor Shona Ferguson, said the source.